Hey guys, it's me again, just coming at you with another tutorial on my Memory Suite 9. We've had a lot of people email in and ask to have a tutorial on the ColorPop feature, which is a super fun feature. So here is kind of how you do it. What you'll want to do first is you'll want to open up your My Memory Suite 9, choose a background if you're wanting to choose a background. And then you'll want to add a photo box. So go to your control panel, add a box. Then you'll want to drag the box wherever you want to put it on the layout, and then kind of size it to the size you're wanting for your picture. And then go to your photo file that you're wanting to scrap, and drag and drop your picture into your box and put it where you want it. I'm going to be focusing on these flowers today. And so once you've got it in the box, then you'll want to click on your ColorPop icon. And this is going to bring up a box to where you can make your changes. So you'll notice that we've got zoom in, zoom out feature so that you can color it in a little bit better. You'll also notice that we've got two tools. There's the brush tool for where you're going to be actually coloring the spot that you're wanting to. And it has a couple different sizes, anywhere from 50, which is big if you're covering a bigger area, all the way down to 10. So if you're covering kind of a smaller area, the dot's just a little bit smaller. There's also an eraser tool, thank goodness, because I'm crazy when I color anyway. But when I'm doing the ColorPop, I kind of tend to make a lot of mistakes. Same thing. It's got the brush size, the different brush sizes depending on how big of an area you need to color in. So let's go with the size of brush, and then you'll just click on brush, not erase, and you'll just start coloring in the spots that you are wanting the color to come out in, to pop out in. And see, this is why I love the eraser tool, because especially when I've got just these little teeny tiny spots that I just kind of get. Let's do these ones back here as well. Then I'm going to come over and make some erases. They're not very big, but that one was kind of big. Then you just kind of clean it up a little bit if you like. And once you're done, you just hit OK, and it will color it in only in the spots that you've chosen. So just kind of adds a fun little pop of color to your layouts. So yeah, if you have any questions, always feel free to email us, customer care@mymemories.com. If not, I'll see you around. Thanks, sweet peeps.